Hey guys, it's me Kitty, and today we are going to be playing some Zoo Tycoon. And the reason why I'm playing this is because there is literally new baby animals, and I'm super excited. And I haven't played this in a while. And yes, it does save what you have done. So yeah, okay. Okay. We still have to create our character. Okay. There we go. Mm. Okay, I'm just gonna lower the volume. Anyways, so yeah. Oh, wait. Okay. How do you? Oh, I see. Okay, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys. I have actually been. I have like no money. I. So here's my zoo. I haven't done anything besides buy the vultures crate thingy. I don't know. So the red bears. The red are bears. I'm guessing. Because there's no other ostrich, trash, meerkats, and wolves, and oh my god, look. What? Oh, oh, that is so weird. Anyways, yeah. Let's get a shop. $64. That is way too much for 1,000. Okay. So we got the Z sign. Upgrade that. And 37. How much bullets? How do you get bullets? Do I have bullets? Oh, yeah, I do. 5,000? Okay, guys. So, yep, here is my zoo sign. Actually, not. I'm gonna do. Okay. I need to go to construction shop. That's 6,000. What? I need that. Oh, what? They just have 7,000. Okay. about that. And upgrade that. Upgrade that. So that's gonna get okay. Okay, I see. That's fine. This one behind. Now they're both together. Anyways, I do not have a car. Ooh, present. But what's this? What's this? Wait. I forgot what I have. Wait. Teleport to zoo. What do I have? No. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, what do I have? What do I have? I have vultures. What do vultures look like? I have no idea. Vultures. Max number 2. Darts, no needed. Yes, no needed for darts. So where is the green? Oh, they're just all around the map. Where's blue? In the middle of the map. But they're in the middle of the map too. See, okay. I'm gonna have to walk though. Oh, I got it. Oh, I did that. Yeah, I did that. That's great. Okay, now we're gonna have to upgrade this cash dish. Ouch. Oh, not from cash. I read the 50 upgrade. I'm so close. Hello, my name's Sam. I'm here to help you. Start by publishing your title generates to become. You started. I already read that. Upgrade 1. Hold up, guys. Bam. Okay. So we need 5,000 to get. Hold up. Hold up shop. But you can reset your progress. Okay. I'll get the codes. 3,000. Actually, we're so close. I need a little base. Then exactly I will have 202. But oh, never mind. I will exactly have 106 right now. Now we have a quad bike. Oops. Oh, it's the wrong side and for me. Do I have that? No. Okay. Actually, I want to go back there. Ugh. We're just gonna reset that. What's this? Oh, I don't have a torter. I don't even know what it said. I don't get what membership means. Like, what is it supposed to, like, do? Standard? Okay, we really need to buy another construction shop. So we do have the food shop. That's a lot of money. 5,000 for the buffalo. Wait, what is it? By the buffalo conclusion. Well, I did. Construction shop. Dang it. Okay, we have 2,000. What could we do? That and that. Yeah. Anyways, now let's. Oh, I don't want to do meat. Great. Oh my god. Oh, I know. Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Buffaloes, buffaloes. Where do I get those buffaloes? Water buffaloes. Max number 2 in the look. I don't even know what to say. And then darts needed, yes. Ugh. Hopefully I know what's up. Oh, perfect. Blue. Right in the center. That's perfect and easy. And I'm right by the elephants too, so that's good. Okay, this is not the middle they're talking about, but I don't know where. Oh, wait, actually, I don't know where else would it be. Oh, yeah. No, I don't even see a buffalo. Oh. Ding dong, found it. Okay, I only have 2 tools. Oh my god, that looks so wrong. It just falls to the ground. Yeah, done. Now we have 0 bullets. Hopefully I can get more. I don't even know. Wrong suit. Okay, there we go. Honestly, teleport to zoo. Reset quad. Bam, we're back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Buffalo. My buffaloes are here. Hello. What? Dang. She knocked me down. I don't get the point. Like, their eyes are so creepy. They're just black. What's the point? They don't even move. What? They do nothing. They literally do nothing, guys. That's not. That's kind of boring. They should do something with animals like the kid. If you press on them, they like make a sound like a giraffe, like they're what they usually like say, you know. I got money. What shall I buy? Meerkat, wolf, tortoise. Do you have enough for giraffe? Oh, I'm below. Wait, whoa! I saw something I can get for the giraffes. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Do I have to buy the enclosure first? Oh, yay. Great, probably. Wait, oh my gosh, I didn't say I wanted to do that. Oh no, that's all. Thousand, no way home. Hey. Okay. Sorry. Here we go.